roast some chickpeas. I'm gonna take some olive oil, take some salt and some pepper, and then I'm gonna stick it into the oven at about 400 degrees for about 15 minutes. Open up 2 avocados, and once I'm done, I'm gonna go over to the stove and show you guys the next part. I've got in my pan about 2 tablespoons or so of olive oil. I'm gonna add in 3 chopped shallots. Shallots is, you know, a little more bougie. So I've got my broccoli florets. Dump that right in there. 4 cups of a vegetable broth. Give it some time, 15-20 minutes, let it do that. Add in my parsley, spinach, basil. All of that is gonna go in there. We're gonna stir a little bit and let the spinach wilt. Then we're going to move everything to my blender. So remember the avocados that we had at the beginning? Now I'm gonna add them into the blender. We are gonna add in our coconut cream. And then you're also gonna add in your salt and pepper to taste.